Hi, my name is Kay and I'm from Ormoc City, Philippines, and I'm doing a review for Ryan Hildreth and his company, cashflowchannels.com. The position I applied for was a voiceover, and Ryan's team helped me land that position within just a few days. It was just around 1 to 3 days. My favorite part about working with Ryan's team is that they're very accommodating and they cater to our needs, employees' needs, and that's really important. And the thing I enjoy most about my freelance job is that nobody is controlling my schedule. And although we work with the clients, we just have to agree with them when we're going to upload, we're going to record our voiceovers, and that's really good. I've been in my position since last March. I've been doing voiceover since last March, and I'm very grateful to Cashflow Channels for giving me that job, for giving me this opportunity. And if I wanted a different position, are made confident with that Ryan and his team. Yes, I'm very confident that him and his team would be very effective, efficient in finding me a good another client, a good client, because I've been paired up with good clients, and they're very nice and very courteous and polite, and that's really rare. And then as for yeah, would I recommend to others to work with Ryan Hildreth? Yes, I would recommend others to work with Ryan Hildreth. He's the best. Having a boss with an aim to help others is really important, because it's a good thing to help a lot of people, and other people need this type of to touch base with their passion like I am. And I really encourage you guys to try it out. Try Cashflow Channels. Thank you.